How to create a brand account on YouTube. A brand account is an account that is specifically for your brand. It is different from your personal Google account. Some of the reasons why you need a brand account are: 1. If you want to use a different name for your channel other than your personal Google account. 2. If you want other people to manage your channel but not have access to your Google account. 3. If you don't want viewers to see your name or email address. 4. If you want to manage multiple YouTube channels from one account. Steps to create a brand account. Sign in to YouTube. Go to your channel list. You can access your channel list at youtube.com/channel_switcher. Click Create a new channel. Enter the name you want to use. Click Create. This channel will be controlled by your Google account, but name changes and other custom settings will not affect your personal Google account. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to support Tech Extracts.